I'm about to cook the miso salmon with cauliflower rice and sesame spinach. This is a super light recipe, still packed with flavors and great if you're trying to count those calories or just feel like eating something light and refreshing. At the end, I'll share a couple of tips with you as well on how to really ace this recipe if you're in a hurry. But for now, let's start cooking. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Celsius with the fan. Then peel and grate the garlic and ginger. Add the garlic, ginger, butter, honey, miso paste and black pepper to a shallow bowl and microwave for 30 seconds until melted. This will be your marinade. Then, portion the salmon. Place the salmon fillets into the bowl and turn them in the marinade set aside. Using a box grater or food processor, grate or blitz the cauliflower until it resembles rice grains. Then wash, trim and roughly chop the spinach. Add the salmon to an oiled or lined baking tray. Cover in any leftover marinade and roast for 10 to 15 minutes until cooked through but juicy. Meanwhile, heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Once hot, add the cauliflower with a pinch of salt and stir fry for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, boil a kettle. Then place the spinach in a colander and pour the freshly boiled water from the kettle over it. Then once the spinach is cool enough to handle, give it a gentle squeeze and place it in a bowl. Dress it with the soy sauce, sesame oil and sesame seeds. Serve the salmon over the cauliflower rice with the spinach and sushi ginger alongside. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. It is fun, fast, super fresh and extremely light. Perfect for those summer evenings. I'm going to give it a try now, but if you like this kind of recipes and want to find more, you'll find them just here. Bon appétit!